Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Delano DJ Dello. Quick technical analysis, or just a quick observation of what I've been seeing as far as on this pocket options platform. Okay, a little bit earlier, it was kind of a crazy day for real. Just reversals, pullbacks, fake outs, and I'm trading the same strategy, which works. Trust me, because I got like 18 screen recordings of what I'm doing now, of me identifying a zone, right? Like I said, the zone is when a downtrend is formed, then gets stopped out by a green candle. Downtrend represents the red candles. Uptrend is the green candles. As you can see, this is considered a zone. Let me mark this. This is a lower zone, right? So now look at this right here. Perfect example. Now, how I identify the zone is when, like I said, red, which equals a downtrend, then the green forms, which stops it out. But also consider the zone is when the green breaks past the green that's formed. Like right here, this green is formed. So this one broke past it, right? Because this is my Bollinger Bands right here. It's one of my indicators I use. And then I use two moving averages. The white one is the quicker one. The yellow one is the slower one. The white one is like 13. Let me see. This is the top one right here. This is 13. Boom. And the yellow one is 21, which represents the slower moving average. Okay. So now, when the white is above the yellow, this considered a kind of an uptrend, as you can see. When it's below the yellow, it's in the downtrend, as you can see, right? But still, a uptrend could be within the downtrend. A downtrend could be within the uptrend. I don't want to confuse you. Follow me now. As you can see, this I consider this a zone, right? These two candles is below this middle line, this middle band. This upper band is for the uptrend, lower band for the downtrend. So when this forms, this creates a zone, a lower zone, or a support zone. Now, when the zone get broken, that's why it's good to mark up the charts with these drawings right here. Very important. This is for the new traders. I'm a new trader. I haven't arrived yet. Look at my account. I'm still learning. I've been trading on demo for a while. And I have put money into my account, a lot of money, but I lost a lot of money. So you blow accounts. When you're just starting out, you're going to blow accounts, especially you don't know what the fuck you're doing. Pardon my language, but I'm just being honest with you. As you can see, once this is broken, another candle forms, quickly forms, right? And it works for the downtrend also. It's a universal principle. This is market structure. But at times, the market have a crazy day, very volatile day. When it do reversals, fake outs, pullbacks, and that's all right too. I feel, for me, not, you know, getting into trading and learning every aspect of it, because I'm still learning. Only been in less than a year, and I'm still making mistakes, and that's okay. I just want to figure it out the right way how to do it. That's why I tell everybody, study fundamental analysis, how the market works, what makes the market up, and study technical analysis. This is technical analysis, market structure. Higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Market structure. See how this keep going up? This is a clear uptrend. Look at this right here. This is my RSI, relative strength index. Like I said earlier, I was doing exactly the same thing, marking up my zones now. This is a lower zone. These are lower zones. And when I seen these candle break the zone, right? Now this is called it just came back down. Now I'm like, wait a minute, am I doing something wrong? No, the market does that sometimes. Out of the week, it does it like probably once a day, twice a day. But also what I learned is when it's like that, don't trade. Or if a certain asset is like that, now this wasn't an asset that was acting up. I think it was. Let me make sure. Was it like that? Acting stupid. Now I got it all marked up where it did act stupid, and it was frustrating because it's like, I got multiple videos of me doing exactly what I'm doing now, marking up charts, and I even did it on demo, and I did it on my real account, which I had money in it. I lost a lot of money, but it's okay. So I know it works. This works. This zone strategy works. I call it the zone strategy. I call it the as above, so below. As below, so above. Okay? It's a universal principle. I didn't create it. It's been around for thousands of years. I'm just applying it to the market, and I saw results. Okay? But I also got to understand that the market does what it want to do. I don't control the market. The market controls the market. Okay? The big banks technically control the market, but in binary options, clearly it's a little bit of manipulation going on, but not as much as people would say, because like I said before, you could definitely get some good trades in using this strategy. This is not my strategy. It's universal. Anybody could use it. I'm just happy to share it to the world. I'm happy I'm learning something. It's not about, first of all, you have to focus on learning proper fundamental and technical analysis and know how to read the market, know what the market is going to do before it does it. That's technical analysis. You got to put the knowledge of the learning, having knowledge of the market before making money in the market. If you don't have knowledge, you ain't gonna make money. Plain and simple. That's just plain and simple. Like I was doing. And I had put like I said, I put way more than this in here, around like 2,500. I made money because I was using the 5-second strategy I learned watching videos on YouTube. But that's not for a novice trader. That's you taking more risks with the lesser time frames. Even with like a 1 minute candle and a 1 minute expiration time, there's more risks. You be more stable with the higher time frames, but you gotta have patience. See, patience work that. But these 1 minute candles, 1 minute time frame work just as well. hmm But like I said, look at this perfect thing right here. It's a clear downtrend, right? Red meets green below this white line. Right now, you wait. Once you see this happening, say if you just catch this red coming down, you wait for the green to form. A green forms, right? Now, what you do is mark it. Once you see a green, all you gotta do is mark it. Wait for the green to finish off. You mark it with this box or with the lines. You can do lines too. Don't matter. You can do the line. Basically the horizontal line and this rectangle works very well. This clearly points out the trend. So now what you would do, once you see this, you would make your thing. I do it from body to body. I don't do it from wick to wick no more, because it has to pass the body. I notice when it passes the body of the candle, it works better. Let me enlarge this real quick. Past this body, it works better. As you can see, look how strong this move is. Boom, red candle came down, got stopped out by green candle, which forms an uptrend, right? The RSI indicates that. Look at this line right here. It was going down. See it's touching down? Touched the oversold area. Touched it, got rejected, came back up. Once you see this, you wait for the rejection to finish off. This is the continuation of the rejection, an uptrend, right? A small uptrend. Not a big move, it's a small move, clearly. Once this breaks, once you identify the zone and you mark the zone up with your drawings, now you do is wait for the zone to be broken. Right? Now, if the zone is broken upward, I believe 1 or 2 candles will continue to go up. You can catch a good trade. But say if this green candle forms, and this candle turns red and it goes down immediately, right? It continues the downtrend, like right here. So it's a small downtrend, green candle forms, right? This gets stopped out. This is like a bearish engulfing candle. If you notice, you get, I'll say if I was to form a zone right here. Boom, I see this happening, boom. Then this breaks out. Look how it kept going down. But then this ain't a good zone because it's not below this line. This is how I identify it. You can identify your own way, but that's how I identify it. So now quickly, like I said before, wait for the zone to be broken, and trust me, this is like an 85% strategy with patience. But some days it has its reversals and pullbacks. And that be bugging me out. And you gotta have good timing too. And sometimes it pulls back, then it goes back up a couple of candles. But then in my opinion, that's a weaker zone. Now this is a strong zone. When the red is going down and green forms, and the next green goes up. See, this is a strong zone. This is a strong zone. You always count candles. Took one candle to break. This one took two candles to break. This one forms. You don't count the one that's formed. You count the one that breaks it. That's trying to break it. This one forms and this one forms. See how I broke it? And now it goes up. 3 candles. You know, that's cool. It's like with this. This is an uptrend. This forms, right? It breaks it, then it gets rejected. Understand that. So, simple technical analysis, man. Don't give up. Stay encouraged, y'all. And y'all have a blessed day. Delano DJ Dello, your favorite day trader. Still learning like the rest of y'all learning. Because remember, knowledge is infinite. You can never know 100% of everything. I don't care who you are. Even the most learned person, educated person, still got a lot to learn. Because they haven't been everywhere. In this market, there's still places to go in this market. So y'all just have the hunger to learn and the hunger to apply it when it need be. This is a perfect example of it. And always screen for the new traders and even the seasoned traders. Screen record all your trading days. Like take a couple of take some time, screen record. You see a zone forming, screen record it. Screen record it, and just watch how it moves. Then when you see a move happen, then you could apply it. Boom. Or if you see a reversal happen, you could compare it to when you see a move like this happen. So when a reversal happens or some crazy stuff happen and it goes up, then this one comes down. Now you can be like, all right, see, it works. It's a strong strategy, but it has its drawbacks of it. I call that the 10% drawback, because this is like an 85-90% strategy that works. Like I said before, I got like 16-18 videos of this doing this just like this without even placing no bets. With me placing the demo bets and placing the real bets, I seen it work, so I know it works. It's consistent. You just got to be patient and wait for it to form. Like you say, if you missed it right here, now you wait for it to come here. That's why this RSI or the stochastic or the MACD, stuff like that is important. The energy of the trend. These indicators are important. Very important, okay? Now look, you catching it, you following it down. Now this one is below, once you get below the 50, that's how you know it's reaching the zenith. Sometimes it could go past under the 30 and just stay there for a while. But if it don't, this will tell you what it's gonna do. Play the example, see? Touch the 30, now it shot back up to green. How you know it's gonna go back up? Because you mark your zone, wait for the candle to break. Once it break, the next candle will break with it. We'll continue that uptrend. Or same thing for the downtrend. So y'all just gotta keep that in mind. Stay encouraged. This one the same thing. Look, red reached the zone, just stay below it, but then the green formed. So now you mark it. You mark it at the top of the body to the bottom of the body. Now you wait for this to break. See this form? Once you see this break, this broke, it got above it, boom. The next couple of candles stayed up. But earlier, like I was saying, it did some crazy reversal stuff and it came down. It's like, wait a minute. I did exactly how I've been studying this thing for like 2-3 months. I've been studying this thing just to perfect it. And now I gotta, now I'm having crazy days too. Okay, no problem. But I just want to let y'all, I just want to give y'all a quick examination of what I've been seeing. And it's always good to follow a pattern. Follow a pattern. Follow the patterns. Even, like I said, when you screen record, very important, look for stuff like this. Look for, the zones, the upper zone or lower zone. Look for this. When the green meets red, you mark it up. Wait for the zone to break. Let me mark this up. Matter of fact, speaking of marks, so I can show you the upper zone, my upper zone strategy. And this is good because this is above the moving average line. Okay, now mark this blue so I can identify it, lock it, boom. As you can see, look at this. Let me pull it in. Red meets green in the uptrend. It's above this white line. These two are above the white line. Clear uptrend. Green gets stopped out. It don't go no further up. Create your zone. Now you wait for the zone to be broken. This broke the zone, but it didn't break the zone because it stayed green. It tried. Got rejected, right? So now this broke the zone, right? Now this kept coming down for 3 candles. This broke the zone. This stayed down. This stayed down. This stayed down. Tried to reach back up. Got rejected. Came back down again, showing strength. Okay. So this is an example of a lower zone, upper zone. So this, y'all, stay encouraged and stay focused. Get money, y'all. This is the road to financial freedom among the forex and futures and options and stocks and crypto. But learn the proper technical and fundamental analysis, and don't be afraid to look at people's videos on YouTube. There's a lot of great people out there that's teaching you how to do it. And there's a lot of people that's playing games, like on binary options. They got some people that can turn $1 into $20,000, and then when you do it the exact same way they doing it, you don't get that result. Like, wait a minute, you got some people that does it and showing you the proper way to do it, and you copy their trades and you get the same result. Okay, but it takes longer. So that quick trading ain't good. I think that's the damn AI bot, if you ask me. But that's my personal opinion. I don't want to discourage nobody, But the thing you take with you is the education of it. You learn the market. Don't copy their trades. You learn the market. That's what you got to do. Learn the engulfing bearish, engulfing bullish candles, the morning stars, the dojis. Learn that. That plays a role in it. Learn how to the top of the market, bottom of the market. The market go 3 ways: up, down, and sideways. 3 ways the market go: up, down, and sideways. Okay, so you got to focus on. Incorporate that with learning the candlestick charting. Very important. Buy a book called Trading Strategies. And there's another book. Hold on, let me see. There's another book. The guy name is Andrew Elder. It's called Technical Analysis for Beginners. Candlestick Trading, Charting, and Technical Analysis. Very good book. Andrew Elder, Technical Analysis for Beginners. Buy that book. And there's another book I got. I've been studying. And this one is called Trading Strategies by Mark Swing. It says, Day Trading plus Swing Trading, a beginner's guide to trading with easy and replicable strategies to maximize your profit. How to use tools, techniques, risk management, and mindset. These 2 are very good books. If you want to get for a beginner trader, want to just get into this game. Even the season traders want to touch up on some things you need to work on. These books are very good. Technical Trading Strategies by Mark Swing and Technical Analysis for Beginners by Andrew Elder. Very good books. It helped me in my journey, as far as me being more, learn what I need to do. And now I'm seeing the results of reading the books, as far as, me going into the charts, screen recording my analysis of it, and then seeing patterns, consistent patterns of what can be done. Perfect example. Now, I believe this works for futures, forex, and everything else. So not just for binary options, but all these other markets too. So y'all just stay encouraged, be blessed. Alonzo Gidello, I'm out.